Hello, hope you are doing well. Yeah, we are going to uh, learn how to make graphs, yeah, like histograms, bar plot, or quick norm plot, whatever you want just to make here to justify maybe your statistic descriptive or whatever we want to learn how it is made. And now, for those one who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. We need to subscribe to learn a lot of things with this software Python, or whatever the software, because we are dealing with a lot of software around here for our statistical studies and so on. Then let us now start to say that we want to know how it is did. We are just around here, for example. Let me delete everything and now we will start afresh. What is happening here? We have two, or can I say three, useful modules we are using when it comes to make graphs and so on. We have matplotlib and we have Seaborn, which is very important, but they are working together. Seaborn is just working like the way ggplot2 is in R software. Then we have also SI PyStat we can use around here. Then what we need to do is just to start to import them. Like we will say, import matplotlib, yeah, PyLab as PyLab. And we import matplotlib pyplot as plt. Okay, we will import Seaborn as SBS, and import also SCI by stat as stats. Okay, then they will just allow us now. We will just use them around here to make some graphs and so on. Then from here also, we can import also pandas. Yeah, pandas as PD. Okay, then first of all, let us bring some kind of data around here, which we will be using to make our graphs. Then I will call it data, and using panda, I will say read CSV, because here the data I want to use in CSV format. Then you can go on my computer and check some kind of data around there. So let's take some kind of data around here. Take which one? MROs. Then we have just to select it, right click, and now just making copy. Okay, copy in the location, and bearing in mind the name of the data MROs here. Then I can go in my software and paste. And now from there, I'll just add the name of the data MROs CSV, because the format is CSV here. Now I can run. Okay, it was successful because we have also finished with exit code 0. And from there now we can try to see how our data look like. We can print like some first line and see data head. Now I want only 10 rows, and I can just print data, this one, and see, we can see how our data is. Okay, this one will help us to see the variables we have even around. Can you see when we have all those things? We have totally we have now 10 rows, which is coming, and we have also 23 columns. Then from here now we can start with this data. For example, you can use this data, or you can take like this variable LWH, or maybe hours, to make our histograms. Here, for example, we have to understand that we are using, when you are using quantitative data to make histograms and box plots and whatever we want is the quantitative data we are using. Then here, Seaborn will allow us to do those kinds of things. And I imported Seaborn as SVS from it. Now, let's say we'll start by histogram, this plot. And now, let's say we want to draw the graph of this variable LH, start by our data, and the way it is, and now talking about LH. Okay, now we will come and tell PLT to show us the graph itself. Let me start by there. Okay, yeah, just waiting. Yeah, that is the histogram of our LH. Then we can use it when we are just doing our descriptive statistic or whatever. Okay, then if you want to import it, you can use it, you can save it from here and use it. That is the point. That is a histogram. Let's ask now also here, draw a box plot, for example. Box plot, okay, of what? Of this same data we are using here, LH. Okay, and now we will come also to tell to show us this box plot. Okay, we have first of all histogram, and after box plot will come, we have box plot of LH. As you can see around here, those dots are just telling us that we have outliers in this data, this variable LH, and now this horizontal line is the median. Now those lines, the extreme ones, are the minimum, the maximum. It's telling us how our data is distributed, for example, and how we can describe our data. That's box plot. You can also draw SVS. We can draw now cat plot. Cat plots are like a scatter plot around here. Then let's also use it cat plot using the same data, same variable, same variable, and same LH. See how it is. I did not even say to show me what you are doing. Okay, PLT, which will show us. Histogram, box plot, scatter plot. Can you see what is happening? That's the distribution of our data in the variable LH also. That is what we are just doing right now. Okay, we can also draw bar plot. SVS bar plot. Okay, using what? Our data and using the same one. No. Here, bar plot, we are using bar plot when we have some kind of categorical variables. Like this one is categorical one. We have 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and we can use even it. Then you just take kids LT6 and now tell Python to show PLT to show us what is happening. Okay, then from there we'll be having bar plot. Then Python is running from up to down. So for this reason, we have all graph coming. First one, yeah, the second one, we have now the third one, the fourth one is coming now. Oh, the way it is coming. Yeah, this one normally is normal distributed. I don't know why it is coming all together like the way it is now. Okay. Okay, we can try the same things with this one, ELF. Mm, okay. Yeah, bar plots normally we are just coming with if we have different kind of groups that are coming different and so on. That is at least we know what is bar plots and so on. Then what I want to just recall here is we are using Seaborn to do whatever the kind of graph we want. Then for example to draw some kind of graph like bar plot, then there we need to use SIPI. Yeah, starts. Then from here we can also draw this one. Starts probability plot. Taking our data, LH. Yeah. And from here now we need to precise that we want plots are equal PyLab. Okay, we are just waiting to come. Yes. Yes. Okay. Proceeding. This one. Okay. Attribute the SSPy as an attribute probe plot. Probe plot. I'm always forgetting P. I don't know why. Then let's see. As restart what we are just doing. Um, yeah, first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and now this one. Yeah. When taking like this is the way data is distributed with this variable LH, that is, we are calling also probability plot or Kukinor plot. That is, we are using it when we are checking on normal distribution. Yeah, that is. Yeah, it's how some kind of graphs can be done around here. Hope that this one will help you. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. We need or we have to learn a lot of things around here. Then you just subscribe. And also, if you need some training on those software, statistical software, R, data, Python, or now we are just using Python so to do data analysis. You can use it to program and create like some apps or website. You can just get that in touch with us and you will get what you need from us. Hope that this one will help you. Thank you so much. Mm.